Hey everybody, in today's video I will show you exactly how you can deploy your Antigravity app into Netlify. So as an example, I prepared this simple HTML website, which is a to-do list. I can show you how it looks. As you can see, this is it. So I can check my tasks and it's running locally currently. So you can see this is in my folder and nobody else can see this, only me. And to make it live, we are going to use Netlify. So make sure to open Netlify. But before that, we want to install Netlify MCP tool in our Antigravity. So I will switch to Antigravity and we want to open this agent. If you don't see the agent right away, simply click on this icon to toggle agent, then click on those three dots, MCP servers, and find Netlify. Then click on it, click on install. Now we have to go again to Netlify. So go to your profile at bottom left corner, click on user settings, and here under applications you should see OAuth. So click on this, and from here you want to create personal access token. We can name it Antigravity test. We can set expiration, how long you want to use this token, so you can set it how you want. Then click on generate token. Now we want to copy the token and go back to Antigravity and paste it. Click on save. If you see this error which says MPX, this means you don't have Node in your computer, so you need to install it, because without a Node this MCP tool can't work. So it's very simple, just have to go to your browser and simply search for node.js, and we want to download this into our computer, so click on get node.js. So I will go with macOS. Then you want to simply open the Node and you want to simply install it. And installation was completely successful. We can go back to Antigravity and we can click on refresh. And as you can see, after you click on refresh, the error should be gone. Then we can click on save, and now we can go back to our code and we can go back to our agent. And with this tool, we can basically tell Antigravity we want to deploy this to Netlify, and it's going to deploy. So I created this really simple one sentence prompt. We want to deploy this to Netlify and we want to name it test for the video. So I'm going to send this and we will see how this MCP tool is going to deploy this. I have successfully created and deployed your site to Netlify. The name is test for the video. And we can see live site URL, we can see Netlify dashboard, we can also see some deploy monitor, but I'm going to manually open Netlify and check for it. So I'm gonna open Netlify, and as you can see, test for the video is over here. It was deployed a few seconds ago, so it's working. You can already see the preview. So if I click on it, you can see the green dot, which means it's live. So anyone who has access to this URL can open it and can see his own to-do list. So for example, I can add task clean dishes. I can add it and then check it. It's a very simple website, and this is how you can deploy it. And now, for example, let's say you would like to change this default domain to your custom one. So for example, if you have our own GoDaddy domain or Hostinger, Namecheap, Porkbun, or whatever provider you have, you can add it as well. So let me show you how. If you click on go to domain management over here, or simply domain management on the left side, you can simply click on add a domain you already own. If you have one, you can also buy one. And we are going to paste our domain. So I have this GoDaddy domain, so I'm going to copy my domain. I will paste it in, then we can click on verify if the domain is available. Good news, alright, so we can add it. So I'm going to click on add a domain. So now we want to click on this option next to the domain, then click on go to DNS panel. And here, if you want to change those DNS records in your GoDaddy, you want to point your domain's name servers to Netlify. So you want to add those 4 name servers in your provider. So if you open DNS management, or you just have to find name servers section. And here you want to change the name servers to your custom one. So I'll use my own name servers. I'm going to add 4 of them. I can copy the first one like this, and we're gonna change the number. So we have to change this number to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then click on save. And now when those name servers are going to be pointing to Netlify, it should automatically also update your DNS records. So you don't have to do anything, but you have to wait for it because it can take up to 24 hours to propagate. And then you will see some check marks over here that your domains are available. And this is going to be all for this video. Then you can simply click on this and then it will redirect you to your page or your website with your own domain. So I don't want to wait for it because it can take up to 24 hours, as you can see, to fully propagate. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.